If skincare overwhelms you, or you are just a beginner, or you are looking for a budget-friendly skincare, this is the only skincare routine that you need. Today, I'll be giving you the simplest skincare routine that you can keep up with, even if you're a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, but you want something simple and you don't want something that will overwhelm you, just like me. That's what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to give you body care routine, face care routine that are simple and easy to keep up with. This video is going to be in two sections. The first section, we're going to be talking about face care routine, and the second section, we're going to be talking about body care routine. After this video, you're going to have an idea of basic skincare routine that can actually keep your skin clean and healthy without having to go through the process of having so many products, so many steps, and the rest. Now, for your everyday face care routine, for morning you just need 4 steps, and in the night you basically just need 3 steps. What are these steps? In the morning, you need a face soap or a face wash, a vitamin C serum, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. While at night, you need a face soap and a face wash, a hydrating serum, and a moisturizer. These steps are just what you need. You might be wondering, no toner. I'm going to hold your hands while I say this. Toner is not important. It's not necessary. If you want to go a step further in your skincare, sure, no problem, go ahead. But if you can't afford it, you don't want to overwhelm yourself, you need to reduce the steps in skincare, toner is not necessary. You don't need toner to have a healthy, good looking skin. It's just an extra effect. Good, but not necessary. Now, while I'm talking about this face care routine, I will be dropping recommendations. I will either put pictures or names. If I don't see picture, I'll put the names on the screen. You don't have to necessarily go with the ones I'm recommending. You can look for something that works for you. Another tip I'm going to give you is, I don't think this is like an uncommon knowledge, but I'm still going to tell you, don't use a body towel for your face. Get a separate small towel for your face. Now, after this 4 morning face care routine, daily face care routine, and night daily face care routine, there are other things that you can add that is not daily, it's just a weekly thing that you can add to your skincare to help with maybe some skin issues that you have. So now we have face mask. Face mask is hydrating, especially the sheet mask. You can get the sheet mask. The sheet masks are hydrating. I will recommend those ones. They are affordable and they are effective. And then we have the chemical exfoliant. I would recommend a chemical exfoliant to a physical exfoliant on the face, because physical exfoliants, they tend to leave like tiny micro tears on the skin, which is not good. So a chemical exfoliant will do the work for your face, because your face is a very sensitive, the skin on your face is a very sensitive part, and it's more sensitive than the bones on your body. So you can use a physical exfoliant for like a body scrub for your body, and then you use a chemical exfoliant for your face. So now, chemical exfoliant, you can find them mostly in serums, in face wash, or moisturizer, or toners. I would highly recommend a serum. So depending on your skin issue or what you're trying to maintain or avoid, you can pick a chemical exfoliant for that issue. And this chemical exfoliant is to be done twice a week and at night only. You don't use them during the day, only at night, twice a week. And you can decide to do it Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, anytime. And then you can also add a retinol treatment. It's up to you. It's not it might not be very necessary, but I still think it's okay to add it. It helps your skin in the long run. You can do this once or twice a week, depending on your skin or the products you are using. I started once and then I moved on to twice. So this is something you can start with once a week, and then you move up to twice a week, thrice a week, depending on how your skin is adjusting to the product you get. So this retinol now is also something you do at night, only at night, please. And then when you are using, don't use vitamin C serums the same time you are using. So don't use vitamin C serums at night. Instead, use a hydrating serum or a hydrating face mask leave a space between your chemical exfoliant and your retinol treatment if you are going to be using a retinol treatment. So maybe if you do your chemical exfoliant Monday, Tuesday, you can decide to do your retinol treatment like Thursday, Friday. You get at least like 2 days interval. So now I'm going to be showing you the ones I use personally, and I will be dropping some other recommendations on the screen, but this is basically the ones I use currently. So this is my face soap. You can get any other face soap that is working, or you can use even the Dove bar soap if it works for you. Sometimes I use the tea tree face wash. That one is also affordable and it works well no matter what your skin type is. I use this morning and night, and then I go ahead with my vitamin C serum used during the day. My moisturizer, sometimes I use this, I just swap it. This has like sun protection. I use this or this moisturizers during the day and at night too. And then my sunscreen, this is the sunscreen I use during the day. Now at night I use, like I said, face wash. I use the face wash, a hydrating serum, which is hyaluronic acid serum. Is a hydrating serum. I use either of these two depending on my mood for as moisturizers. Now for my chemical exfoliant, I use the Stellene tea tree oil salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is supposed to help with acne, shrinkage of pores, and basically is for oily skin and acne prone skin. I use this chemical exfoliant twice a week, only at night. And this is the retinol serum that I use. This is I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Paimei, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a retinol serum. I use it twice a week, only at night, and the next morning I make sure that I use sunscreen. And for lip care, it's important. I don't need to tell you this one. So I have lip balm, I have lip glosses, just to keep my lips moisturized. It's also part of my face. I cannot be going about with moisturized skin and dry lips. That wouldn't be nice. So I'll be dropping other products that can also work instead of these ones, so you check them out. Now we are moving to the second section, which is the body care routine. Now the body care routine is also very simple. My body care routine is very simple. So now for body care routine, there's 2 steps that you can either decide to do one, or you go for the 2 steps. Now for washing, you have 2 steps: the first cleansing and the second cleansing, which is double cleansing. So normally I would go with a simple bar soap that doesn't do much, like the Dove soap or Dettol soap. It's just a basic first cleansing soap. Now for the double cleansing, I go with body wash or a body soap, a bar soap that has strong ingredients like maybe a vitamin C, or just something that focuses on something, either to brighten my skin or to exfoliate or something. Just that's the work of this second cleanse. It does something other than cleaning your body. And then I move on to lotion. After drying my body, lotion, and then body oil. So now how many steps? These are like 4. If you are doing double cleansing, it's 4, and if you are not doing, it's just 3. Now I'm going to show you the products that I use, and also still recommending some good ones on the screen. Now this is my bar soap. For the second cleanse, I use a Dettol or Dove soap, but then it's finished. I ran out of it, so I'm going to be showing you this one. This is the Hawaii. I'm going to put the picture of the package of this soap so that you see how it is. This is the Hawaii papaya soap. Sometimes when I'm feeling lazy, I just use only this. My body lotion is the Nivea 95% pure vitamin C body lotion, and then I go in for extra glow with the Dessert vitamin C body oil. Twice a week you also need a body scrub. It's not every day, something you do weekly. You can try to do it during the day or at night, but I'll recommend at night so that when you sleep your skin can regenerate. This is the, you can see I'm almost done with my scrub. This is the scrub. This is Skin Doctor whitening scrub for face and body, but I only use it for body. This is it. This is what it looks like. This is what I use. You can get this, or you can get this. I'll just put in other product that you can use. So what I'm just trying to say is that after washing your body with whatever body wash, bar soap, you can use your body scrub. You follow up with your body scrub, and that is done only twice a week. Then when you're done, you dry your body. Not really dry, just tap, let it not be completely dry. Then you go with your lotion and then your body oil, and what do you have? A healthy looking, moisturized, glowing skin. That is it for today. I hope I've been able to give you valuable insights. If you are confused about anything, let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.